Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create sample for your Logitech PRO X2. So firstly, make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected to your PC, and after that go to the application. If you did it, you will see your headset right here, so click on it and then go to the samples here. Now click create and you can record some sample, something like 1, 2, 3, then click to pause it, and now you can play it to listen it. You can also rename it by just click on this pencil icon and let's call it test. After that click edit and we rename it. And also we can remove it by pressing on this icon and then click delete. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!